Good morning, 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 boys, morning, girls. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Yeah, good Super Bowl yesterday. Very good Super Bowl yesterday. All right, boys. I'm gonna start this. Mic test. If you guys are over here in the voice, over here in the YouTube, please let me know if you guys hear me. And please post the takers in here, guys. Thank you. Good morning, Aman. Good morning. Good to see you back. Good to see you back. All right, guys. Let's start a party. Start with yes. Let's start first with the economic calendar and stuff. So this week we got some earnings, guys. Some good names that I'll be watching. Shopify is one of the names I'll be watching. Airbnb, something that I like. The chart looks really promising for a breakout. Looks very beautiful. Shopify, I'm on long in this. I think 100 should break out. Datadog is something that I would like to watch also. What's going to happen with Datadog? Twilio is something that I will be watching over here. What's going to happen with Twilio? DraftKings, of course. So you guys know that I'm holding DraftKings. Roku will be a good one to watch. Coin will be a good one to watch. DoorDash will be a good one to watch. The Trade Desk will be a good one. So a couple of good names to your watch, guys. Right? Let's watch the economic calendar. We have CPI this week, guys, at 8:30 Tuesday. Normally we get CPI, PPI. No, this time it's CPI and then a few days and then Friday PPI. And we got some bonds over here on Thursdays, guys. So let's see. Yeah. All right, gentlemen. Let's jump into the charts. So market just keeps making new highs, guys. Just keeps making new highs. And like I said on Friday, we get a retest. That's where we go long, and boom, beautiful. So now we have basically this is going to be our supply zone. 5057 is all-time highs on ES. So that's going to be our supply zone to watch. 5043, guys. Is this highs that we got in the push from Friday's data that we got? You got to watch that in the morning. If this doesn't hold, guys, I think we can get a pullback. And this is not a bad spot to go long. At the moment, 5014, 5015-ish, that's where the warehouse is, guys, where the pockets. So possible come back to the warehouse. Warehouse is liquidity, load back over here, and then make that pushback, guys. Right? So could be a nice spot over here to short it, maybe. Yes, because we are in resistance. But remember, this market is very strong, guys. Every little bit drop gets bought up. Every little bit drop gets bought up. Just watch out, boys. So that's the ES. So the NASDAQ. Same thing with the Nasdaq, guys. This was a beautiful, beautiful setup on Friday. That I told you guys to go along. You guys didn't believe that. I took a little bit long over here, got a nice little. I didn't hold it all the way up here. Yeah. Same thing over here. I went long over here. Nice bought up, guys. Remember, these are retest levels, right? When we pull back, these are retest levels. So again, same thing. This is a very smaller zone that I have that I drew. You guys have these levels. So possible we come over here, we can see breakout, retest, right? You can see that, right? Over here, this was the resistance from the news in the morning. Then we broke out and then we retested that zone and we went up. So possible we can come back and hold over here. Then maybe look for a little bit of longs and stuff. All right, another one. I want to talk about Russell this time, guys. I saw a couple of you guys were talking about IWM last night. Russell is very interesting, guys. Show you guys on the daily chart. So this is basically Russell on a daily is breaking the move upside. So watch this hold about 2025, guys. Hold above 2025. Then we can see 2057 and 2097. 2057, I think, is a level that I have mentioned before. Yep, 2057. You see, I have that level from long back. So it is a level that we have been watching in the radar, guys. So just keep an eye on this level breaks. goes into the 2057 and then into the zone, boys. Let me show you guys in the weekly chart now. So you can see big support, big support, big support, big support. Then we gave up, came back into there, right? So we come over here, we push, guys. This is going to be a big resistance to watch. You can see what happened over here. Held, and then gave up, retested. Again, where we came over here, got rejected. That's the Russell. Talk about some individual stocks now. We got resistance. So just keep an eye on this 21 this week, guys. See if we can hold above it, or are we going to trade below it and get rejected in the bottom layer? So that's that, boys. Apple. Next one I got is Amazon. So Amazon, guys, earnings candle, big move. Now we came right there. 175 was from Friday's highs. That's going to be our big supply zone up here, 174, 175. If we can stay above there, we can push this. This was a nice squeeze, guys, on Amazon. That was very tight, 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 tight. And this trend, you can see this trend line just broke upside. So beautiful on Amazon. Let's see if she can keep continuing, guys. That's Amazon, right? Let's talk about Google. I'm gonna pick up Google on the daily chart. Take these studies. So you can see Google, guys, from the earnings drop downside, and slowly, I have it for one. One 40 something. All right, getting back, boys. strong support. Did give up last time. We did take her downside, but now we're gonna make this as a zone and see if we can hold her. If this 554 cannot hold, then we have this little bit dropped side, and then this full gap to fill all the way to 503-ish. If this holds, guys, not a bad spot to take her long into the 575 in this breakout, and then maybe this will break out, boys. So watching this channel this week, see what's gonna happen on this channel on Netflix. For me, test this zone that we have got rejected this morning. Did go into that zone, got rejected, and possible can come back. We had our longs over here. We took our longs into resistance, molding runners, but this is not a bad spot for a short test that you can see. Boom, got rejected there, got rejected, got rejected. So basically, this is, if you've seen the weekly chart, there's a nice downside retest of these areas for another leg downside, boys. So that's Tesla. The next one I got is Vidi. So guys, Vidi, new highs retested. New highs 521, 721, 721.85. That's going to be a retest area. Basically, every time we make new highs, we're retesting, retesting, retesting. So retest over here could also go long then. So I'll be watching that 721. I'm long on Nvidia and shares, so I'm just keep riding this thing up, boys. I've been mentioning 700 is coming soon. This is going for another leg up, right? So watch this. This could be a very nice one. If not, 170 doesn't hold this our zone, guys. What the hell is wrong with my freaking internet, dude? Yeah. So AMD, that's what I'll be watching. Last one, guys, and I'm gonna go reset my internet and see what's up with this. Weekly chart, low. This just came out of my scanner this morning. It has an upgrade this morning, and I like this chart. Nice, beautifully downside retested, retest around, went lower, tried again at this resistance. Then nice little bit of a flag right at she's opening right in that zone. So if we can break this week's 227, come back and retest this zone, could be a nice one to take along, guys. Could be a beautiful one, maybe to swing also this if money can rotate into these kind of stuff and he can make new highs. Beautiful stock, guys. Beautiful chart. Any tickers that I see over here? I don't see you guys mention any tickers. So that's it. I'll see you guys on the Discord voice, guys. Have a great week.